A wonderful fact about the Caribou. We ordered the Caribou in the early 60s and picked up our first one in 1964 in Canada. We sent squadron members over to pick it up and fly it back to Australia. En route, the government made the decision for Australia to enter the Vietnam War. Our Caribous never returned to Australia until after the Vietnam War finished. They went straight from the manufacturer to the Vietnam theatre.
And as the aircraft repositions, the silver bells from the World War I, World War II reenactment group have just been along the crowd line. The silver bells and other performers will be at the signing tent. You can get the autographs of all these people. The signing tent is located near the Qantas 737 in its original livery. At the crossover point, you'll see the tent where it says, "Autographs here, pay them a visit."
Ladies and gentlemen, 7 years ago, the RAAF flew its last operation involving the Caribou light tactical transport aircraft. 45 years after the type first entered Australian service. It had service in 35 and 38 squadrons. It was a remarkable workhorse.
A workhorse indeed, Pete. And all the people who'd been in the Air Force over those years in the 70s and 60s and 80s, everybody remembers Wallaby Airlines. The Caribou picked up people from short, unimproved strips, moved them all over Australia, all over different theatres throughout the world, Southeast Asia, aid work in PNG, the Middle East, a truly remarkable workhorse. In fact, it's only just now, after 7 years in retirement, that the Air Force has found a suitable replacement in the C-27J, which is being picked up in Waco, Texas at the moment. So a flyby, not that fast, pilot with his arm out the window, in old days smoking a cigarette, maybe a pipe, unpressurised, hot, noisy, pilots loved it.
Gary, it has that Second World War feel about this aeroplane as well, doesn't it?
Has the noise, the smell, the feel.
All of it.
Well, gents, we really do appreciate the aircraft coming all the way from New South Wales Historic Aircraft Restoration Society. The folks there, all volunteers, do a marvellous job of keeping big aircraft, big historic aircraft in the air. Caribou